Happy World Constitutional Day. I am Cláudia Azevedo, a constitutional law professor in Brazil, and I'm delighted to share some thoughts on this Constitutional Day. Today, I would like to talk about the Brazilian Constitution of 1988 and how important this document it is in today's Brazilian reality. The Brazilian Constitution of 1988 is commonly known as the Citizen Constitution, once it's focused on citizen participation, and it's a post authoritarian document, which restored the political power to the people after decades of dictatorship. It established a presidential democracy, broad checks and balances possibilities between the branches, and a strong judicial review system. Just in its beginning, it brings fundamental rights, including the political ones, freedom of speech, religion, and equality, among others. Since it came into effect in October 1988, it was amended several times, 135 to be precise. But its core remains once the Constitutional Assembly was wise enough to put inside it some clauses that cannot be changed, clauses that known as petrified clauses. Besides, the Brazilian Supreme Court has been acting day after day in an attempt to protect it from the occasional majorities who intends to break its principles. Although it's only the second longest lasting constitution in Brazilian history, it has been keeping democracy for decades and bringing some stability in a country which is constantly struggling with lack of public investment in a strong public education system. Also giving to the people some instruments to enforce the rights and to compel the government to make those rights brought by the Constitution a social reality. I hope that you enjoy knowing a little bit about the Brazilian Constitution, and I also hope that we can celebrate a happy Constitutional Day for many years from now. Thank you very much.